circular sketch pattern. So circular sketch pattern, we will draw one sketch pattern with from the center of this point. So first select one circle and draw any one circle here. Okay. Now go to circular sketch pattern. See, this is our center point. So now this is going to make a pattern in circular way. This is our part selected, equal spacing. If you want to increase number of circles, just increase from here. Or the same thing, if you want to skip anything, just select some circles. Okay. So see, it is created. Just go undo. Again choose circular pattern. Select this body, and this is the center point. Suppose if you want to make another point as a center, so here are the options: x-axis and y-axis. If you want to move from x-axis, just move it from x-axis. See, the center is moving in x-axis. The same as here, you can move the center from y-axis. See, the center is moved from x and y axis, and you can increase the number of circles whatever you want. So this is the circular sketch pattern. You can draw many number of parts in simple tool with the help of simple tool. If you want to skip any circle, just click on the instant and select this and click OK. So see, this is your circular sketch pattern is ready. It is very easy and very helpful tool in 2D dimensions. I hope you enjoy.